Once upon a time in Unit 4, we taught you how to do these by hand. We made you do them the long way. And today you get to just use Desmos, which is awesome. Before, you would have had to do 2 times 1, which no is not hard. 2 times 1 is just 2. 2 times 2 is just 4. 2 times 3 is just 6. And 2 times 4 is just 8. So for these first ones, if you want to just do those in your head, since those are easier, that's fine, it's not a big deal. This table, you're just supposed to take the x values and subtract 2. So we can just go ahead and do that. 3 minus 2 is just 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 6 minus 2 is just 4. Eventually, though, they are going to make things more complicated for you. They're going to start multiplying things and adding or subtracting things. They're going to start putting exponents in it. X squared plus 1, and then it's time to just call it quits and let Desmos do your work. F of x equals x squared plus 1. So you go to Desmos, you type that function just like it says. F of x equals x squared plus 1. Oh, hey, by the way, if you're typing this on a phone, you're having trouble with the keyboard, I just push Shift 6, because that's a caret. And then it'll take you up there in that exponent, and you don't even need the keyboard. It might be easier if you're trying to do it on your phone. There's the function, and then we need a table that goes from -3 to 0. So right underneath that function, click in the next line, add a table. You have to change these headings here. You make this an x, and you make this f of x. And then you just fill the numbers that you need, and Desmos will do it for you. -3, -2, -1, and 0. If I remember correctly, did I copy that right? Yep. So then all you need to do is take those 4 points and type them into iExcel. Those points also show up over there on the graph. So at the end of this agenda, when you're supposed to take a picture, I want to see your whole screen just like this. -3 goes with 10. Oops, I'm not typing anymore. Sorry. 10. -2 goes with 5. And then 2, and then 1. This is an absolute value function. Those are absolute value bars. You need to be able to type those in on here also. The absolute value of x. I don't know. They're probably in this keyboard here somewhere. There they are. Those are the absolute value bars. If you're typing on a computer, I just use that right there. Shift. And then there's the absolute value bars. I think it was just an x, wasn't it? Yep. So once again, you would add a table. Make sure that you change the headings to match your function. And then it just went 2, 4, 6, 8. And all those points just stayed the same. The inputs and the outputs are the same. So you just retype 2, 4, 6, and 8. Oh my gosh, Mrs. Goes. 4, 6, and 8.